Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch a Wrx Sti. Plant your left foot on the brake and keep it firm while you blip the throttle to 500 RPM, then quickly release the brake and modulate throttle to avoid wheel spin. Use first gear and steer straight, watching traction and engine response. Practice in a safe, legal area and adjust RPM or launch control to match road and weather conditions. I'll walk through the setup steps before you attempt a launch. Start by checking tire pressure and tread, confirming fluid levels, and ensuring seat and mirrors are set for control. Set your boost or launch control to suit traction, and practice releasing the clutch smoothly. Turn off traction control only if you are experienced and in a safe spot. Small adjustments to pressure or RPM can make a big difference in consistency. Now focus on timing and inputs for a clean launch. Hold the brake with your left foot and bring RPM to your target, then release in one smooth action while feeding throttle progressively. Watch wheel spin and be ready to reduce throttle at the first slip. Practice clutch modulation if launching with a manual clutch. Stay relaxed, breathe, and learn the car's response. Consistency comes from small, repeated adjustments and calm execution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.